What if I told you that countries don't just go to war with tanks and missiles, they do it with money? Welcome to the hidden battlefield of the global economy, where nations fight for power, influence, and control through currency. This is the story of currency wars and how they impact your wallet more than you think. Let's start with the basics. A currency war happens when countries deliberately devalue their own currencies to gain a trade advantage. Why? Because a weaker currency makes a nation's exports cheaper and more attractive on the global market. More exports mean more jobs and faster economic growth at home. But when everyone plays this game, it becomes a race to the bottom, and that's when the real trouble begins. Take the US dollar. It's the world's reserve currency. That means countries around the globe use it to trade oil, buy goods, and hold reserves. This gives the United States massive economic power. It can print more dollars without immediate collapse, and it can impose sanctions that cut nations off from the global financial system. But this dominance is being challenged. Enter China, Russia, and the BRICS alliance. These nations are working to reduce their dependence on the dollar. China has been pushing the yuan in international trade. Russia is trading oil in rubles. BRICS is discussing a shared currency. This isn't just about economics. This is about geopolitical control. If the dollar loses its dominance, America loses leverage, and that shift affects global power dynamics. Now let's talk about inflation. When a country prints too much money, its currency loses value. We've seen this with Argentina, Zimbabwe, and even the US during periods of excessive stimulus. Inflation eats away your savings. It raises the cost of living. And when multiple countries manipulate their currencies at once, global inflation spreads faster than ever. So, where does this leave us? In a world where your financial future can be influenced by central bank policies in countries you've never visited. Currency wars might sound like something abstract, but they have real-world consequences. Higher prices, unstable markets, and growing inequality. Here's what you can do. Start thinking globally. Diversify your investments across assets that aren't tied to any single currency. Think commodities, global ETFs, or even digital assets. Study how economic policy affects markets. Build a financial strategy that protects you from currency risk and inflation. The wealthiest people in the world understand one thing. Money is always moving, and those who follow the flow gain power. This isn't just a money lesson, it's a power lesson. Because in the world of currency wars, the more you know, the better your position, not just to survive, but to thrive. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe to the Wealth Forum for more videos that uncover the hidden forces shaping your financial future.